All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a double cap, custom fitted teeth, 10K gold. All right, this is not plated. This is actual solid 10K gold with the open face and the heart cut out on the second tooth. This is handmade for a perfect fit. Beautiful double cap set, guys. You can get it on the left or the right side, that's up to you. Check it out online on our website, blingcartel.com, and you can order this online. You get a mold kit sent to you, you bite down on it, you mail it back to us. This is the result: custom fitted double cap, heart cut out with an open face cap. It's a one piece double cap. Well, there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.